regarding all the candidates that all of you are independent.
But in my case, the second
by the election commission.
one of the 2nd February orders.
So it's only in respect of your
But they made
candidate.
a general declaration that anybody who has come in a situation similar to mine, I had filed nomination papers declaring myself to be a PTI candidate, and the election commission said that since the party has been denied.
I think there is no order in respect of all the candidates, that all of them are
No,
independent.
Manoj, but that order lays down the law, the understanding of the law, and what happened in reality. I'll just come to that when I come to the factual aspects given in CMA 5913. So the order passed in my case, and even prior to that, on the day 13th of January, we were told that there are 2 sets of symbols available, those for independents and those for political parties. We could only choose from the set put aside for independents. So it was very clear with the ROs on the 13th of January, and the 2nd February ECP order only confirms that situation, that we were to be treated as independents because of the explanation to Rule 94, read with the judgment which said that PTI is not entitled to a symbol. So that created us as independents, regardless of what our affiliation in the nomination papers was.
Just clarification of a factual aspect. Lord. The record that has been placed before us by the ECP was contradicted by Mr. Gaur Ali Khan when he appeared one day.
Yes,
Do you confirm?
Yes, my lord. Kindly see, since my lord has raised that,
the ECP has not
placed the entire record.
the correct record before
No
us.
responsibility is upon you to submit the record. Where is that record?
Let me show, my lord. Let me show.
You say that the election
No,
commission
my lord,
has.
kindly see, I am submitting that we be treated as independents who have joined SIC.
पहले तो इस
But,
बात पे-
जी मैं उसका जवाब दे दूं, how they have suppressed the record. Kindly
वो
see,
बता देना।
जी, kindly see, in CMA 5840, part 2, from pages 168 onwards, they have chosen to file my nomination papers. They've somehow, from all the candidates available, they thought they would attack me because I'm appearing as counsel. So they filed my nomination papers from page 168 onwards. And I take your lordships, the court,
I'm a bit confused. Who are you representing right now?
Kawal Shawzab as well as PTI.
When you talk about the petitioner, the candidate,
Please be specific. Then you say I'm arguing on behalf of PTI.